Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my shop. Welcome to my channel. My name's Keith and I'm your host. Come on in. Let's see what our next video is all about. Alright, we're in here ready to open up the box we stored all the parts of Buffy that we were working on before we made the move over to here. She'd been in a box over a year. We've had a lot of craziness going on since I've made the move over here. I'm still dealing with my ex-partner and the sale of the property over there, and that's crazy. Anyway, we've been real busy. We had a little bit of a slowdown. We started working on Buffy, and then it got close to the Bar Z Summer Bash. And yes, my girlfriend and I are going to be at the Bar Z Summer Bash, and so we got just about 5 days or so here to pack up and get ready to go. I've been working on a couple things. I mean, I'm going to have my hats there, the Patriot Attitude and the Turn Right Machine Works hat. I'm going to have all my stickers. I'm supposed to be receiving some of those now because I wanted to up my quantity that I'm going to have there. I'm going to have the big Patriot Attitude stickers there for sale, and I'm going to have the bottle openers like I made in 2019. This was When Hell Freezes Over, and it's got the little she-devil on it. Stainless steel, and I'll have the bronze steel ones as well. And we're in the middle of engraving right now, and I kind of stopped that because we all know what the engraver sounds like in the background of me talking, and it's not that it doesn't make for a good background sound. Anyway, here's a glimpse of the engraving we put on the backside this year. All right, the Bar Z Summer Bash it's pretty special to me. The Bar Z Summer Bash is pretty special to me because I got to really bump shoulders with creators, and also a lot of my viewers showed up at Bar Z Summer Bash, and I got to talk with them one-on-one. It's a great opportunity for the mixture, the blend of creators and viewers. Here's a creator that sent me some stickers. He contacted me email and told me he was going to send some, and he wanted some of mine, so I sent him some of mine. And this is Paul from the Knackler's Workshop. He says, "Hello Keith, I've enclosed 2 of my channel stickers and hope that they arrive in good condition as they left the Knackler's Workshop. I do enjoy and look forward to your videos. I find various content interesting. Also, seeing the difference between US and UK, you guys have so much more space than most of us here in the UK. Other than London, Portsmouth, where I live, is the most densely populated city in the UK, but having lived here all my life, I do not think there's much chance of me moving. Also, much of my family lives here too. My daughter is hopefully moving back to the US next year, and I have an idea of visiting her and have a whiz around and visit some of you YouTube mates. So you never know, I may have the opportunity to buy you a cup of coffee one day. Keep up the great work with the channel. You have lots of great viewers around the world that really enjoy your films." Thank you very much, Paul. And like I said, I sent Paul some of my stickers, and at that same time, that's where I thought, hey, I took an inventory on my stickers, and I need to have more of a couple of my stickers. But I'm going to have them all there. My small stickers will be free. I'll have the Patriot Attitude big ones for sale. I'm going to have hats for sale. Actually, Lisa's going to be running my swag table this year, so you get a chance to meet her. And I won't have any shirts or sweatshirts or any of that because that's all now on T-Blaster, is where I have all my shirts and masks, scarves, that kind of thing. So anyway, we're gonna see you at the bash, and I got to get back to engraving. And while that's running, we're gonna open up the box and we're gonna get Buffy's parts out and get them laid out in another shop, and get ready to start assembling the rest of Buffy.